Hi class, here we are for Module 1 in Accounting 221 Financial Accounting at NMSU Grants. Just try to do these weekly overviews just to kind of give you a quick update of maybe what I see in the previous week's assignments when I do the grading, as well as just a quick overview of what is to expect for the upcoming week. So these typically are a minute or two, maybe 3 minutes long if there's a lot of info I need to get out to you. So this one will be fairly brief because it is just Module 1. So again, each module will have a video assignment, it will have an assignment, there will be a quiz, and there's the discussion board that are all graded. So, and typically video assignments, the weekly assignment, and discussion boards are worth 25 points, and the quizzes are worth 10. So essentially each week is about 85 points. And being a 5-week class, you would just multiply the 85 by 5, and then there will also be a final exam. I may put together a couple of other kind of bigger assignments just to have a few more points in there so you've got more opportunity to earn that grade that everybody strives for, which is hopefully the A's. So being a 5-week class, just be sure that you keep up with each of the assignments each week, because each in accounting, what you do in Chapter 3 builds on Chapter 2, Chapter 2 builds off of Chapter 1, so it really is kind of sequential. So we will just go in order 1 through 13. We are only using half of the textbook, Chapters 1 through 13. If you're taking managerial accounting with me in the second 5 weeks this summer, we'll basically use the second half. I think we'll omit a couple chapters. So if you're with me for both of the 5 weeks, you will get the entire textbook. So in each module, I mentioned the video assignment. Be sure your summaries are substantial. And by substantial, I mean really detailed. Really kind of write me a picture of what you watched, what you learned, what was interesting, what was not interesting, but really give a substantial summary. And it's, I don't do a word count. I'm not looking for 100 words per summary or 500 words, but I'm really looking for good detailed summaries. I will post an example. It'll be an economics example that I've pulled from previous students of what I believe is substantial for discussion boards and video video summaries. So again, the videos are not me except for these welcome videos, and I scour and preview every video that we use, so I do watch all of them to make sure that they are relevant. So a few of the things in Chapters 1 and 2 in this first module this week. The accounting equation, which is assets equals liabilities plus owner's assets, owner's equity. So make sure that we really understand that, because really everything that we do after Chapter 1 builds off of that. Chapter 1, we also talk about GAAP, which is the generally accepted accounting practices. So be sure that you are reading through the textbook and understanding Chapters 1 and 2, as the rest will build on that. Chapter 2, we go into the different types of reporting, journaling, ledgers, and those types of things. So if you have any questions, as always, you can contact me via email or phone or text. And again, my office phone is probably not the best choice over the summer, as I'll only be popping in every once in a while. So let's have a great start to Module 1. I'll talk to you soon.